Okay, so just put a new 1000-watt power supply into my computer. Hopefully, that's the issue with my video card, and not the fact that my motherboard video card bus is probably fried. But we'll find out. We'll see how things roll here. Fairly easy match. So the fact that we're just a little bit outclassed on
General quarters.
the destroyers. By the time I spot, I'll be spotted. But I'm hoping that they're going to be playing in the middle and I can come around the outside. We shall see.
Engine boost activated.
Since it's going to take a little bit of time, go ahead and light me up a cigarette. Nasty habit that I'm trying to quit, but it's not working well. Put my music back on here in a minute. And where's my other destroyer? He's down there. That's alright. And the planes are well out of my way. Though there will be plenty of them from the looks of it. Six squadrons, and I only see 2 right now. So I'm pretty sure the other ones will be showing up just here momentarily. I'm liking the looks of all those torpedo bombers, which means that Langley's probably got his stuff outfitted that way. Alright, there's the next set of bombers. So we're going to try and keep out of their sight here. It's like the enemy bomber's going there. There's one, there's 2 Minikaze.
Engine boost deactivated.
So we are cleared in as soon as we get past these bombers. There's another set. Looks like the Kuros are duking it out, and he lost. So far unopposed. I'm going to swing wide on this island just in case there's someone hiding there. Alright, got a carrier in sight. So hopefully it doesn't have too much in the way of guards.
Enemy force detected.
Here we go. For some reason, I can no longer see him. Though he should be well in my sight range. There he is. Range, and hopefully he will run into them. And we're gonna get the hell out of there. And I know his planes are probably gonna let him know that they're there. I believe that is possible. So I expect him to start maneuvering anytime. Though I know he knows now that there is a destroyer around. So he's probably going to try and look for me. Got one. And here it comes. Nope. I'm actually quite surprised he's not moving. He's making it totally easy for me. He's moving super slow. We're just going to keep hanging out here and see what happens. Now he's starting to move around a little. I have his attention. He's just barely on the edge of my range. May not get the kill. Oop. That's okay. We'll move on to the next one.
Ship's almost finished. 2 or 3 more things and we're in great shape. It's a trap!
Go for a Taka go. As he's circling there, I'm going to be spotted. But I really don't care. Clemson's moving in as well. So let's go have some fun.
Engine boost activated.
See if we can't keep that Königsberg at bay. Ow. Just gonna hug this island a little bit. And nobody's got sight. I'm about to be lit up here shortly. Hello.
Slope generator started.
If I already knew that was coming. Alright, being fired at from 2 different sides.
Engine boost deactivated.
Alright, looks like I've got that CV. Don't tell me they're running out of range. Oh man. I realized I'm capping, which is not what I intended to do. And I already know those bombers are probably going to spot me out here in a minute. But if I can get in close to that island, that should be alright. I already know they're coming on me. That's okay. That's what they're gonna do if they're smart.
Remember, the Force will be with you, always.
Alrighty then. Alright, which way is he turning? Turning out, which is not going to give me a shot. Doesn't look like we have to worry about them. Okay, he's left the cap, so it's just on me. See if we can scare off this Königsberg a little bit. Nope, won't even be able to get in close enough. But he is, however, gonna get close enough for me to scare him a little bit. We'll fire some shots off and see what happens. No kills, but hey, we capture, we win, and that's the point, is to win. Damage-wise, not great. Still need another 20,000 to get my mission, my daily mission done. That's alright. We got it. Not one for the books, but all in all, not terrible. Got one daily mission done anyway. So let's see what we got going on here. Crap. And crap. But we'll take it.